Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Pineapple Squad. If you are not subscribed to my family, then don't forget to hit the notification bell and hit subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, as the title says, today we're gonna put these two powders to the test. These two right here. So which one do you guys think I'm wearing? Which side? Could be like this. I could be like this. So which one do you guys think? And I do want to do a disclaimer in this video. Obviously, I'm sure you guys already saw the other video I did a year and a half ago comparing the Mercier and the Coty Edge Spun powder. If you have not seen it, I'll put a little thumbnail right here so you guys can see it. And in that video, there was so many comments of people saying that I was being biased. I was just preferring the Mercier one over the Coty just because it was like, you know, I was being bougie or something like that, and that wasn't the case whatsoever. If you see my quality now and see my quality in the other video, I did edit the other video with Filmora. Filmora, the video editor, is by far the waste of money that I've ever like done in my whole entire life. It was a waste of my $50. It was a waste of my time, and it just ruined so many videos for me. And if just go see my other videos and you'll know which ones are, you know, edited with Filmora, and stick with Windows Movie Maker because it's so much better. But yeah, the quality of my video now, just look at the quality now and look at the quality of the Filmora one. It's so different. It's crazy. So I was not being biased to anything. Sometimes on camera things don't look nothing like in person. Those Instagram models that you guys see do not look like that in person. They do look as beautiful in person, but sometimes you could manipulate angles and colors and everything with photo tune and stuff. So that's why you guys were saying that I was being biased. I was not being biased. It really did look better, but to be honest, I ended up choosing the Coty one because it was more long lasting and not drying. The Mercier looks nice, but it's really drying after like a couple of hours. So I said in the comments, I put in the description box, guys, I like the Coty one better, but people just kept on commenting and whatever. But yeah, today we're gonna put these to the test and let's get into the video. I know I'm speaking a lot, so I just want to put the disclaimer there because people could be really quick to say stuff. But okay, let's go. Okay guys, so like I said, today we are going to put to the test two powders. And you guys know I love it was so weird today. Why? So yeah, today we're going to put to a test two different powders, and it's going to be the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder, and I have my name Banana, and I'm also going to put it to a test with the Mercier. I feel like everything that we put to the test is always with the Mercier powder. It's because it's so good. And oh my god, look at my pineapple shirt. You guys want pineapple shirt? I'm going to try to find it. I bought it at Rainbows. So yeah, I'm going to try to find it. But yeah, I'm gonna put it to the test with the Mercier powder, and I love this stuff. I use it on all my clients, and I actually do love this one. It does leave you like airbrushed, so I want to put it to the test. And I did do a video like this last year, so I'll put it down below or put it up here somewhere. So yeah, I'll put to the test. I did my eyebrows. I'm gonna put my foundation on. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and then I'm gonna use the concealer I'm gonna use today. Is gonna be the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer, and this one is a little light for me now because I got a tan at the Poconos, so it's gonna be a little light. Hopefully it'll look good. I don't have time to color correct today, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go right in, put my foundation on, and I'll be right back with my concealer. Okay guys, so doesn't my foundation look really good? I feel like I have some days where it looks good, some days it looks bad, some other days my skin looks like feels bad. I'm like, I don't understand, but today it looks pretty good. And if you guys hear her screaming, it's the lady upstairs. She's screaming like crazy. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go in my concealer. Oh my god guys, I bought an under eye cream from Target, and I went to pick it up yesterday, and when I got home I opened it and I was showing Josue, and I'm like, I was like, oh my god, look at this eye cream, like I can't wait to use it, you know, use under my concealer. And then I open it and it's exploded, and I'm like, of course it's exploded, of course it will happen to me, of course. So now I have to go to Target and get another one, of course. Oh my god, look how good. I'm going to try not to over blend, because I feel like with this concealer, if you go over it again too many times, it would pretty much come up and then it won't have full coverage anymore, which is so weird, but I just noticed that a couple of days ago, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Looks pretty good. Okay, so on my right side, I'm gonna do a Mercier. Then on my left side, I'm gonna do the ColourPop, and the ColourPop one is obviously very different from the Mercier. As you can see, this one has 8.5 grams, and this one has 29 grams. Very different. So we're gonna start with this one, and I don't have a lot left. I do find this one to be drying. Oh, I don't have a lot left. Literally nothing. I might have nothing left. All right, this video might not happen because there's nothing in here. Ooh, there's nothing in here. Okay, let's make it happen. So I'm gonna take some on the other side. Oh, it has creases. No, creases. I'm going to go in with my finger. And I do bake, so I'm gonna bake today. Like that. Okay, like that. And there's a fly in here and it's pissing me off. So if you guys see it in the camera, I'm so sorry. I need to buy another one. No. I actually don't want to buy another one. It's so expensive. But hopefully we won't have to, because this one's gonna be as good. And I have to hurry up because I have a makeup client. Oh lord. And this one is more yellow, as you can see. Very more yellow. I'm gonna use one of the side of the blender that I haven't used. Oh no. Okay. Okay, so this is how they both look. Obviously this one is more yellow and this one is more white, but I'm gonna go finish the rest. Actually no, I'm not gonna finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna let it sit for one more second. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Mercier side off because that one was there first. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this. Okay, so this is how they both look. Like that. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is how my face looks like. I completed everything and I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I know which one I like the most already, but I want to zoom you guys in so you guys can see as well. Okay, so just waiting to focus. So this is how my face looks like, and this is how both sides look like. Let me get my mirror. Okay, which one do you guys think is better? I don't know, to be honest. I don't know which one. It's so hard. I feel like they look the same. They look the same. The ColourPop one does look like it has more coverage. This side does look like it has more coverage. I don't know what you guys think, but this is how it looks like. I don't know. Oh my goodness, I don't know. I do feel like the ColourPop one has more coverage. They both look the same to me, to be honest, as of now. I have no idea, to be honest. I don't know. I'm gonna keep wearing it throughout the day, and then I'm gonna let you guys know. So I'll see you. Okay, so this is how it looks like. What do you guys think? I don't think you can see it. There, okay. I'm in the bathroom. That's what looks so weird. And this is, it's currently 11:02, I think. 11:02. And I put this on at 11:30, so it's 20, what is it, 12 hours? Not 24, Melanie. 12. It's been 12 hours. So I've had this on for 12 hours. Trying to see. Hold on. To be honest, they look exactly the same. They both kind of broke apart in my nose. Like, I don't have anything on my nose anymore. They look exactly the same, to be honest. I have no preference. They look exactly the same, so I like it. I like it. So now I don't have to buy the Mercier one because it's literally $42, I think, $45. So I could just stay with the ColourPop because it looks exactly the same, guys. So that's good. So